Hey guys, today I have something pretty cool for you. As you can see, you can take this literal. These two bottles of water I had in my car, and it was right now it's minus 6 degrees outside. And as you can see, this one is frozen solid. Well, not quite. This is what's left of the water inside. And this one has ice on the outside, but it's still liquid. So now see what happens if I open this up and give it a little shake. Completely frozen in a matter of seconds. I think this is pretty awesome.
Wait, what happened here? Let me explain. Both bottles had roughly the same temperature, but why was one frozen solid and the other was not? Well, honestly, that I can't say for sure, because in both was exactly the same water. It works better if the water is really pure, but this happened to me before with exactly the same water, and once even with a whole crate of those bottles. And yes, I know I should not leave liquids in my car when it's winter. Anyway, you can do this at home while I show you the same situation, but this time it didn't quite work so well. But now, let's get scientific. When water is cooled below its freezing point, the momentum of its molecules slow down to the point where the links between the molecules aren't soft anymore. The water freezes and becomes solid. But it needs an origin point for that, a so-called nucleus or a sea crystal. Now, if you keep your water bottle very still and the water is pure enough, there is no nucleus. The water just can't freeze, and this down to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Your water is now, as you call it, supercooled. That also means any disturbance will cause your water to freeze, so be careful, and that is actually why I cooled my bottle overnight in the car. As you can see in this clip, there is still gas in the water, and when I opened the bottle, a few bubbles floated to the top. Now, if the bottle would have been cold enough, these bubbles would have acted as nuclei. When I shook the bottle, all the air now in the water were different points where the water could actually freeze. The same thing happened when it finally worked. You can try this with plastic bottles too. And if you are lucky, you can hit the bottle on the side and the impact acts as nucleus. But if you shake the bottle in the process, the air on top will do the trick. Anyway, it might take a few tries, but it's very cool to see it actually happen. Until you try this yourself, let's watch some water freeze. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with your friends. My channel is very young, so every view counts. If you like what I do and have faith in me, you should consider subscribing. Well, until next time, see you and enjoy the little things.